Hello guys and welcome again to my channel. Today is September 5th and it's the first day of the Toronto International Film Festival 2024. TIFF is one of my favorite events in Toronto, mainly because, well, I like films. And it's also one of the last summer activities, so if you want to close out the summer season in a fun way, come check it out. It's a beautiful afternoon, 22 degrees. I'm on King Street, which is shut down for this event, as you can see, and I'm starting this walk tour on King and University, where St. Andrews subway station is, going west and ending on Peter Street. In this video, we're going to see 4 of the TIFF event venues, and the first one is the Roy Thompson Hall, this one.
On a fixed price. Dancing industry.
This is the Royal Alexandra Theatre, another TIFF venue. Over there is the red carpet and the fan zone, where you can stand and wait to see your favorite movie star or celebrity. Let me know in the comments who you'd like to see this year.
John Lee. Germany, all of this time.
Some movies are going to be presented here at the Princess of Wales Theatre.
Like, so, like, my best friend, he's like, where are you now?
And this is the TIFF Lightbox, which is the main venue and the year-round location.
So they have all the snacks open. Which I guess. Then I talked to Christmas today. By the way, I'm an editor. But I knew you. I knew you.
We're coming to the end of this tour. Thank you so much for watching and check out my other videos. See you next time, guys.